Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. Today we are going to see drawing and coloring with paint. I hope every one of you have seen drawings that are made in computer, right? So how we do that drawing? So one software that is used and that is easy to do is paint. Okay, so with the help of paint software we can draw our own drawings. Okay. So first and foremost thing that you need to know is how to start paint. So we can start paint. So first you need to click start menu and then you need to click all programs, and from all program you need to select accessories. So from accessories you can click paint. So in this way you can open the paint window. So after clicking paint, your paint window gets open. So after opening your paint window, you will be seeing so many tools that are available that helps you to draw. Okay. So the first tool is pencil tool, line tool, and then we have a magnifier tool, fill with color tool. So all these tools are the different tools which helps you to draw better. Okay. So with the help of these tools you can create your own drawing. Okay. So these are the different tools that are available in paint. When I show you, it will be more clear for you. So the next thing that we are going to see is drawing shapes. So if you want to draw a shape, that is if you want to include shape in your drawing, then how we can do that? So we have an option to include shapes also. So that can be added with the help of by choosing the shapes whichever you need, you can just add that shape to your window. Okay. So that is a way you can insert shapes. Okay. So after making your drawing, if you want to color it, so then with the help of brush tool you can color the drawing. Okay. So brush tool is used to color the drawing, and you can choose the appropriate color which you need, and after that you can just move your cursor, you can just move your mouse towards the space which you need to color. So after that it will get colored. So when I show you, it will be more clear for you. And you can add oval tool also. So oval tool is used to add round shape to your drawing. Okay. So that also can be added with the help of oval tool. Okay. So other than that we have fill with color tool. So fill with color tool is used to fill some closed area with some color. Okay. So if you want to fill some closed area with some color, at the time you can use this fill with color tool. Okay. I hope it is clear. And then we have airbrush tool also, that is if you want to give your drawing with the spray painting effect, at the time you can use this airbrush tool. Okay. So these are the four important tools that we use for drawing and that we use for coloring. Okay. Then if you want to add text to your drawing, at the time how can we do? So that can be done by inserting text tool to your window. So there is a text tool available, by inserting it you can add text to your drawing. Okay. And we can add polygon shapes also. So polygon tools is also available. So by adding it you can add polygon shape to your window. Okay. If you want to create some curve to in your window, then how can we create it? By using the curve tool that is available, you can create the curve in your window, that is in your paint window. Okay. And we have another option, other tool also, that is magnifier tool. So that is if you want to zoom your drawing, whichever you are drawing, so if you want to just magnify it, enlarge it, at the time we can use this magnifier tool to enlarge it. So other than this magnifier tool, we have zoom in, zoom out option also. So with which we can just zoom in the drawing whichever we have drawn. So to make it well finished, we will just zoom in and check, right. So for that case we use this magnifier and zoom in, zoom out options. Okay. Next we are going to see what are the image group tools that are available. Okay. So what are the image group tools that are available? So first one is select tool. So why we need this select tool? If you want to select some particular area, at the time you need to use this select tool. Okay. If you want to select some particular area, then you can use this select tool. So this select tool will be available in our home tab itself. You can just click select tool from home tab, and after that you will be having a rectangular selection. So that after you can select whichever portion till you need, you can select it with that. Okay. And with the help of select tool, if you are selecting, right, so that can be deleted by using, after selecting it you can select or you can remove that particular portion by just pressing delete key. Okay. So for that you need to select it with the help of select tool, after that you can just delete it. Okay. So next tool is crop tool. So crop tool, if you want to crop some portion alone, so at the time you can use this crop tool. So that is, if you want to crop some particular portion and ignore the rest of the portion, then at the time you can use this crop tool for that. Okay. And then next one is resize tool. If you want to resize your drawing, at the time you can use this resize tool. So resize tool is used to increase or decrease the size of drawing that you are making. Okay. So skew option, we have another option called skew option. The skew option is used to stretch the drawing that you are making. Okay. So if you want to stretch your drawing in a horizontal way or in a vertical way, then that time use this skew tool. Okay. And then next one is rotate tool. That is, if you want to rotate your drawing in clockwise or if you want to rotate your drawing in anti-clockwise, at the time you can use this rotate tool. Okay, rotate is nothing but if you want to rotate your drawing to 90 degree or to 180 degrees, so at the time you can use this rotate tool. Okay, and drag and drop your drawing. You can drag and drop your drawing by selecting a particular area. You can just drag drop the drawing that you want. Okay, select an area of your drawing and place the cursor within the selected area, and after that drag the selected area to the other part of the screen and release the mouse to drop the drawing at that position. So by doing it, so you can create, you can replicate so many images that you have drawn. Okay, so this is a way you can drag drop the image. Okay. Next one is resizing your drawing. As I told you earlier, you can just resize the drawing by clicking the resize tool that is available in image group. Okay. And after that, if you want to create the same copy of that object that whichever you have drawn, at that time you can use copy paste option. So you have copy, so by clicking it you will be creating multiple copies of the same object that you have drawn, and if you paste it, so same objects, so duplicate copies of that objects will be created. Okay, so in this way you can create multiple copies of drawing. Okay, so similarly, if you want to cut some portion of drawing that you made, so that also can be done by using this cut tool. Okay, that is, if you want to cut and move the part of the drawing that you have made, so that can be done by using this cut tool. Okay, I hope it is clear. So for copying your drawing you can use copy. So for cutting some particular portion you can use cut tool, and for pasting it you can use paste option. I hope it is clear to you all. So after doing all your drawing, you can save your drawing by using file save as option, and after that you need to give appropriate name to your drawing. So your drawing will be saved forever. Okay, in your computer. So this is a way you can save your document. Okay, and if you want to open a new document, at the time also from file new, if you are clicking from file menu and if you are going to new option, a new page will be created, new work area will be created. So there you can make drawing. Okay, so this is a way you can save your drawing and you can open a new document. And if you want to open already drawn drawing, means how can we do? So that can be done by using paint open option. If you click open option, it will be show the files which you have saved it. By clicking it, you can just open it. Okay, so this is a way you can open already existing document. Okay, and also you can print your document by using print button that is available in Paint. You will be having a print button, you can just click it. Print by clicking it, you can just print the image or print the drawing with whichever you have drawn. Okay, after that you can exit by clicking the Paint. From Paint you will be having an option for exit, right? So by clicking it you can just exit. Okay, so first what we saw how to save our document. So by clicking Paint you can save, you have an option for save as, and you can just save your document. Also, and also if you want to open a new document, by clicking again Paint menu, you will be having open document. By clicking it, you can open a new document. By clicking the Paint menu, if you want to open already existing document, then you need to click Paint menu and then you need to click open option. Okay, by clicking it you can open already existing document. And if you want to come out of your Paint window, in your Paint menu you have exit option. If you just click it, you can just come out of Paint window. So first you need to see how to open Paint. For that you need to click start menu. So after clicking start menu, if you are typing Paint, so it will show the option Paint here. So if I double click it, my Paint window, it's open now. So first I will show you, first I will explain you. So this is a drawing area and these are the tools that are available, and this is a image group and this is a shape group, and here we have different, this is a size for, if I am selecting this brush, so this is a size for it, so I can, with which I can choose the size. Okay, so and this is whatever tool you are selecting, so this is a size for it, you can select it, and this is a color palette that is available. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so these are the quick access tools that are available for quick access. Okay, so and these are the tool boxes. You have line tool. So line tool is used to draw lines. So you can draw horizontal line, you can draw vertical line, you can draw slanting line. So whatever may be the case, with the help of line tool we can draw. Okay, and you can draw shapes by using this shape tool. So different shape tools are available. If I want to add this shape, I can just click it and I can just drag it and drop it here. And this also, if I want to add this star, at the time I can just drag it and drop it here. So you need to select some color, you need to select the tool whichever you want, and you need to just drag it and drop it here. Okay, and similarly you can draw rectangle, squares, etc. So this is a rectangle that is available. So if I want to make this a square, so at the time what can I do? With the help of, by pressing shift, rectangle will become square. So with the help of shift, my rectangle will become square. So similarly we have oval tool. So this is a oval tool. So if I want to make it circle, at the time I need to press shift. So here my oval has changed into circle. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So that's all about shapes. And if you want to fill color, you have the option of fill bucket here. So with which I can select some color. So I am selecting this color and I am filling it. So can you able to see? So with which I can fill this color to all my shapes. Okay, so likewise you can also fill the colors. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all.
Pencil tool. This tool looks like a real pencil which is used to draw freehand drawings on the drawing area. The steps to use the pencil tool are: click on the Home tab. In the Tools group, click on the Pencil tool. The cursor changes into pencil sign. Select any color from the Colors box. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area. Click on the Size List box. Select the required thickness of the pencil to make the drawing. Changing the background. In MS Paint, by default, we get a white background, but we can change it according to our requirement. The steps to change the color of the background are: click on the Fill with Color tool. Click on the required color from the Colors box. Click in the drawing area to fill the selected color. Eraser tool. Using this tool, you can correct the mistakes or make changes in your drawing. The steps to use the eraser tool are: in the Tools group under the Home tab, click on the Eraser tool. Left-click and move the mouse on the drawing area you need to erase. Brushes tool. Brushes tool is used to draw lines of different textures. This can be done by selecting the different brush tip of our choice. The steps to select a brush style are: the Home tab, then Tools group, then Brushes list box. Click on Brushes drop-down. Select the required brush type. Select the brush size from the size list as you did with Pencil tool. Select the brush color from the color box. Text tool. The text tool is used to type the text in your drawing area. The steps to use the text tool are: on the Home tab in the Tools group, click on the Text tool. Click anywhere on the drawing area. A new tab appears in the ribbon. Here, we can set the font type, size, color, and background for text. Type the required text in the text box. Click outside the text box after completion. Different options available in the Text tab are shown below. Text background. There are two options of text background. Transparent background. This option is used to keep the background of the text area transparent. Opaque background. This option is used to fill the background of the text area. The steps to set the text background are: Select the Text tool. Click where you need to type. Text Tools tab will appear. In its background section, select Opaque or Transparent. Color Picker tool. The Color Picker tool helps you pick a color from one part of the figure and fill the same color in any other part of the drawing. The steps to use the Color Picker tool are: on the Home tab in the Tools group, click on Color Picker. Click on the required color in the drawing that you want to set as the foreground color. For example, click inside the star as shown here. Click in the area where you need to fill the picked color. For example, click in the white drawing area. Selection tool. Selection tools are used to select drawing or a part of drawing and perform various operations on the selected part like cut, copy, resize and rotate or flip. The steps to use selection tools are: on the Home tab in the Image group, click on the arrow on Select. Select the desired option from the list. Click and drag over the area of the drawing. You can see a dotted box around the selected area. Various selection tools are explained below. Rectangular Selection tool. This tool is used to select a rectangular shaped area of an image. Freeform Selection tool. The Freeform Selection tool is used to select an irregular area of a drawing. Select All tool. The Select All selection tool is used to select the entire drawing. Moving the selection. The selected part can be dragged to a new location. The steps to move the selected part of the drawing are: select the part of the drawing which is required to be moved. Bring the mouse cursor inside the selection. The mouse cursor converts into 4-sided arrows. Drag the selected part to the new location. Cut or copy and paste the selection. The selected part can be cut or copied and pasted to a new location. The steps to cut or copy and paste the selected part of the drawing are: select the part of the drawing which is required to be copied. Click on Cut or Copy in the Clipboard group. Now, click on the Paste option in the Clipboard group. The cut or copied part of the drawing is pasted on the top left corner of the drawing area. Put the mouse cursor on the pasted part and click and drag it to the desired location. Resizing the selection. The selected part can be resized. Resize means to change its actual size. The steps to resize the selected part of a drawing are: select a part of the drawing. Bring the pointer on the corner or edge of the selection. Click the drag the mouse to increase or decrease the selected part. Or click on Resize in the Image group. The Resize and Skew dialog box appears. Give numeric value in the horizontal and vertical text boxes. Click on the OK button. The selected part will be resized. Rotate or Flip tool. The Rotate or Flip tool is used to rotate the whole drawing or a selected part of a drawing. The steps to rotate or flip a drawing are: select the image or drawing. Click on the Rotate option in the Image group. Select the required option, for example, Rotate right 90 degree. The image will be rotated according to the option. Opening a new Paint file. Click on the File button. Click on the New option. A new blank drawing area appears in the Paint window. Saving the drawing. To save the file, follow the steps given here. File tab, then Save option. In the Save As dialog box, select the location to save the file. Type the name of the file in File Name field. You can select different file type like JPEG, GIF, etc. from Save As Type drop-down. Click on Save button.
I hope working with Paint is clear to you all. So what we saw today, we saw how to open Paint and what are the different tools that are available in Paint. and how we can copy paste the image, how we can drag drop the images, how we can resize the drawings that we made. So, all these things that we saw today. Okay, we will see what are the book back exercise that we have. So, please take page number 85. In that, name the tools used to do the following job. Make a freehand drawing. So, for making a freehand drawing we use pencil tool. Draw a straight line. So, for drawing a straight line we use line tool. Draw a polygon. So, for drawing a polygon we use polygon tool. Draw a circle. For drawing a circle we use oval tool. Select a irregular part of an image for cutting. So, for that we use freeform tool. Add text to an image. So, for adding text to an image we use text tool. Paint with brush like effect. So, for that we use brush tool. Fill a shape with color, we use fill with color tool. Stretch your image horizontally, we use horizontal skew tool. Make many copies of your drawing. For making many copies of your drawing you use copy tool. Okay. I hope it is clear, and we will see complete the steps to do the following. For saving your drawing, how can we save your drawing? We can save using by clicking paint button, you can just click save as option. So, with which you can save your drawing. Okay. To open a saved drawing, how can we open it? By clicking paint button, you need to click open option. So, by clicking it you can just open already existing drawing. Okay. To exit from paint, you can just click paint button and then you need to click exit menu. So, by clicking it you can just come out of paint. Okay. So, the next one is match the icons with their name. Okay. So, the first one is polygon. So, you need to mark it to polygon that you have. Next one is right arrow. So, you need to mark it to right arrow. Curve, you need to mark it to curve that you have. Magnifier, you need to mark it to the magnifier that is here. Okay. And then select, for selecting you need to mark it to select that you have. And then color picker, for color picker you need to select color picker that you have. Rounded rectangle, you need to select rounded rectangle that you have. I hope it is clear to you all. And then fill the correct shortcut for the following task. Make a new file. For making a new file you need to press Ctrl plus N simultaneously. So, you need to write Ctrl plus N. For saving a file you need to press Ctrl plus S. For opening a file you need to press Ctrl plus O, and for printing a drawing you need to press Ctrl plus P. I hope it is clear to you all, and at page number 87 you have fun time activity and you need to do this at home. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text and we will see you in the next class.